One of the best things you can install in your home is solar, but to have the most energy efficient and cost efficient home to run, solar is just one part of the overall solution. Solar contractors around the country are starting to realize that a solar panel system alone is not enough to get homeowners to a net zero home. This is because in order to size a solar panel system, contractors use historic electricity usage, typically the 12 months prior to when they generated the quote for the customer. While this is usually a good number to base the size of the solar panel system from, the problem is that once a homeowner installs solar, their lifestyle habits may change. They might get an electric car, or they might make slight adjustments to their daily energy usage. Many times customers make lifestyle changes such as lowering the thermostat set point from an average of 76 degrees to 72 degrees, or even 70 degrees. This greatly increases the amount of energy they use, and at the end of the month, they are shocked that they have an electric bill. This results in an unhappy customer for the solar contractor. This is why solar is only one part of the equation to becoming a net zero home. QuietCool is the other key part of that equation. QuietCool is a perfect companion product to solar because it saves customers up to 90% off their AC usage, which accounts for up to 60% of customer electricity bills on average. By saving that much energy, solar customers that install QuietCool are able to live a more comfortable lifestyle while not having to worry about ending up with an electricity bill at the end of the month. This can truly give customers a net zero home. Not only that, with the fear of widespread blackouts which are becoming more common, having a low overall energy footprint will ensure that customers can self-sustain their home using just their solar panel system and a battery backup system. With the QuietCool, homeowners are able to lower their overall energy footprint without sacrificing their comfort. Get back into the green with QuietCool.